Alright, we're going to look at the red dot to clean it. This red dot is pretty dirty. Let's see if we can focus in on that dirt a little bit. I can see it a little bit right there. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is pretty dirty, so we need to clean the red dot. And we're going to use some Zeiss wipes. So you've got your Zeiss. We can get that in focus real quick. Alright, so we got the Zeiss lens wipes. Zeiss makes really high-end scopes, so I use their wipes. I've always used these, they work real well. But the first thing we need to do is blow this off. Now if you don't have any compressed air, you can buy the little compressed air cans for like your computer cleaning, which works fine. So I'm just going to take my little compressed air, and I'm not going to blow it real hard. Just a little pressure, and that should blow it off good enough for what we're going to do. So basically we're going to go ahead and open our Zeiss wipes. And then I'm basically going to take my finger, and it's kind of hard to get in here. Now if you need to, you can take a Q-tip. Oh yeah, getting some dirt out. Looks like the other side's a little dirtier than that side. And you're probably going to want to, when I say take a Q-tip, what you want to do is take a Q-tip and put it behind the Zeiss wipe. So you don't want to actually use the Q-tip part, you want to actually use the wipe, but with the Q-tip pushing it into the corners and stuff. But there's ways you can get around not having to use the Q-tip. And these will dry up. You just keep working your finger down in there till you've got everything that you can tell that you need to get. And while you're at it, go ahead and get the edges around on the inside. Not just the glass, but the actual metal edges. Go ahead and clean that as well. And the reason you want to blow it off first is you don't want real hard stuff, so you don't want to scratch it. That's the last thing you want to do to your nice red dot or scope. You don't want to scratch them. Alright, that looks a lot better. So that's basically all you want to do. Now you want to take your little microfiber cloth and just wipe it back over to clean the rest of it out, to get the rest of the lint off. And you should be good to go as far as cleaning your red dot. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks. Alright, now I got my microfiber. I'm going to wipe it off with the microfiber now. Now you can do the microfiber intermittently between an actual hard cleaning. And if you did the microfiber, you may not need a hard cleaning, but I know how it is with everybody. We get busy, and it's really hard to clean, especially your carry gun. You're not going to clean it every day, and it will get pretty dirty down in there. So wipe it off, and you're going to have like little marks, kind of like when you're cleaning your glasses, when you put a hot breath on there. While you're cleaning this, you're going to get that. Let that dissipate, and then you'll be able to see where else you can get it. Alright, that looks 100% better. I don't know if you can see, it's reflecting a lot better now. And I don't see, there was a lot of black spotty looks on it, and I don't see them now. So it looks really good. So this is how you would clean your red dot. A hard cleaning. A soft cleaning would be microfiber, and most red dots come with microfiber cloth. Clean it like that. I also suggest if you're going to store your gun, get you one of your little covers to go over your red dot. But use the Zeiss. Again, it's Zeiss is a German name, German company, and they make really good wipes. I've tried a bunch of different wipes, and these are some of the best ones. There's some that are comparable, but the Zeiss is my go-to, and that's how you clean your red dot.